guys, welcome to the Gabby Show. Today what we're going to be making is slime. So, here we go. We started. So, I got my bowl. I already started a little bit on it.
This stuff is turning into
and you need Elmer's glue. I got this, the little stuff. Elmer's. And then I got this clear glue. A spoon. And then I have... What am I doing?
Oh, yeah.
And then I have this. You will need some magic liquid. Not yours.
Give it.
You're going to need some magic liquid in this. Alright, so let's get started. So what I'm going to do, like I already put some in there. Now I'm going to put this in here.
And don't touch my slime without your hands being moisturized. That's why I brought this water out here.
So here I go. You'll be fine. Okay, I'm going to put this in. So y'all can see. And I got some more too. I got a little slime kit. And then now I got to mix it up. And it's going to be good, y'all. Oh, y'all, it's going to be good. Look at it already. I'm mixing it, y'all. I'm mixing it.
And it's not going to work.
How? I already put some of this in it. Haha.
Still ain't going to work.
That bottle?
It's okay. You don't know if it's still going to work.
Lila, you mean, Lila, yours is working. And ours isn't, so you can't be taking all of it. See, you already poured the whole thing out.
That's not yours, that bottle. That's not yours. This one is mine.
It's Christmas. Ew, that's how we got a little stuff. I'm still mixing. I'm doing this for you, YouTube slime. Y'all been begging for me. So, Renaya and Maya, y'all see this video. Hey, I need some more Elmer's glue.
Look, y'all, I already made my slime.
Nobody care about her making her slime.
Just put some water in there.
Okay, give me some then. And that's how yours working?
I tried to put some slime in your water, but that didn't work. I missed.
Put a little bit in mine, please. Okay, that's good. So, y'all, I think it's gonna be. That's how did yours get sticky, Layla? Oh, y'all, pick it up. It's picking up.
You're gonna need more glue, girl.
Girl, I just added like a whole bottle of glue up in here, y'all.
You did?
Okay, no, I didn't. I'm not trying to lose all my glue. And then
I used one bottle of glue.
See, like, we need them white things that pop it stuff. They can pop. So, y'all, our stuff is literally working out. Because we tried last time, and it wasn't working. Like, I'm really trying to make it work. Oh, my back hurts. That look, y'all stuff gonna be not working no more. That's how my friend do it up in her class. Like Maya, remember when you had that slime, you put some water in there, it wasn't even working no more. No, she put hand sanitizer. Don't put no hand sanitizer in your room. Don't do it, please. Here come Nacho. He making some slime as well. See his head.
And it ain't gonna work.
You should go look at his YouTube channel. It's Nigel Murray. Yeah. It's Nigel. It's Nigel, and it's like just put Nigel. He had 3 videos already, so just check out his YouTube channel. Just check out his YouTube channel, okay? Nigel, you know this is going on YouTube.
He can't make no.
So go look at. Tell them your YouTube channel video. What it's called. It's Nigel Murray. Just look up Nigelmurray. Yeah, her stuff won't drown because you put in too much. My friend
how you get it.
Okay, that's.
Now you gotta drink the water. She don't know what she doing.
I need some more glue, bro. I need some glue. Y'all see me with the glue? Here, I want y'all to look at
That's
me.
why I add all that water in there.
This is Christmas time. Ugh. I don't want to use all my glue.
You gon' end up messing up.
Come on, bro.
Who wants some glue? Come on. Y'all want some white cone? Y'all want this?
Oh, some little glitter. I already got glitter on mine. Mine's is pink.
Oh yeah, by the way, y'all, we doing this video on Christmas.
Yeah, Christmas Day.
So yesterday was Christmas Eve, and we had.
And y'all should go look at my other video. I just posted one. When I did a prank on Layla, I did a prank on Layla, and I posted it. Y'all should see it. I did a prank
on Gabby, pouring water in her head, making me get in trouble.
See, Gabby, see, look.
Wait, nobody.
Oh.
It almost got in your hair. That's why.
And if it would have did,
that's why I did like this.
Woo, bro, if it did, my mama would have killed you. Well, y'all, it's Christmas and they in there eating and talking and stuff. Like, we already opened our presents, and y'all, I got a hard board for Chris.
if you put
I will show y'all at the end of the video that my hoverboard. He got him a bike. Y'all should see. I'm just gonna show y'all the wheel of his bike.
our hoverboard, we got
Lila used up all these. Look.
I didn't use up all those. They got built here. So, nuh-uh.
For real, don't.
Why?
Nuh-uh. Because it's mine.
I'm asking you.
Yeah, but we both are. So if I say no, Gabby, the opinion don't mean nothing.
Yours don't.
Nigel. Bro, sorry, y'all. He moved his freaking bike. So now y'all gonna have to see. Yeah, you gonna have to put up.
Y'all, I'm gonna bring the hoverboard, but y'all gonna see Gabby riding it.
Yeah, so y'all can believe.
There we
I got a hoverboard. And I got a hoverboard. Nigel! Go somewhere else with that bike, bruh. Like, we got another boy up in there. He playing in Nigel's room. If y'all see Nigel's room, he got toys all over the place.
Shut up, Gabby.
I look at you come on that little stupid bike. Nobody, don't look at it, okay? Here. Come on by, Layla. Come on by. So they can see you with your thing. Sorry, whatever later. Sorry, my friends, my people. Y'all run up past so they won't see you.
Alright.
Shut up, Layla. Layla, you run over me with that.
Layla, watch out.
Sorry. Ow, Layla, you ran up my butt.
Not the way behind me. Why would you do that? Good. Come on. Because it's my bike. Zigzag. Anybody the hairline to be stupid. At least my hairline don't say
They always like, look at my stuff is pink. Y'all probably don't think it's white in the camera. Yo, I need some more glue. Like, what does glue do?
At least my other knee.
They said clear slime and more. There's some clear slime. It makes clear slime. Oh, it's gonna be thick and bad, y'all. It's gonna be thick and good. Here, let me get a good dig of it. The dig of it.
I said girls ain't supposed to have hairlines, they're supposed to have edges. You deaf now? At least I don't got a pop hairline. I said you don't have a hairline. I said this. I said at least.
And let me make it more brighter. See? I'm trying to make it more brighter.
At least Anthony's
Sorry,
hairline don't
fighting y'all.
pop
Sorry
out.
about this. See you later.
This hairline go like this for your information. It don't say pop.
It's that big.
I know either. So pop. It don't pop out though.
He leaving, y'all. He leaving. Y'all see him walking out the door. I think he's walking out the door. Look, but, oh boy, move.
Oh man.
It's hard.
Got slime on my hand.
Y'all, look at my hand. It's a mess, bro. Look at this. I got hair all up in it. Look, I didn't even get it off. Bro, stop.
What y'all heard that? That was cutting the grass.
Ugh. They can go there. Yeah, this ain't working. See, he's sticking. I don't put it too much on the water. Oops. On my jacket. I just said Tiger and them coming, but they ain't ever hit me with it. supposed to be thinking. Thinking. Okay. Y'all, it did not work out. I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. Small didn't work out. It's a good way. Mustwach. I'm just having my hand in it to dig it out. How did you make your slime?
Oh shoot.
How did you make it?
I used it, activated.
Where's the activator?
The stuff that came in my slime. That's my slime kit.
Where's the activator?
I already used it all.
Where is it though? I want to see it.
Used it.
Oh, it's over there.
It's in the trash now. I used it. Like, it's gone. Like,
It's not how much. That's how much not working. Let's see what we can trash.
ain't nothing in it. There's no more wonderland. No more wonderland. I gotta get this off my head. Or I get in trouble. Cause I don't wanna get. Okay, y'all. My slime is coming out perfectly. So get the slime kits. Do not get the one without the magic stuff. Oh, I got on my pants.
Sorry, you guys.
And make sure.
Come bring my hoverboard. Y'all can see me right away. Y'all can still watch me on my hoverboard, okay?
And we got a surprise for you too.
Yeah.
We're giving it out a $50 Amazon giveaway. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. And we're giving out a hoverboard.
Here, let me show you one of them. It's gonna be it's gonna be black and it's gonna look like this when I come back. Tell them.
It's a black. And we'll show you it.
Yeah, I'm gonna be riding it.
Let's show you it.
Yeah, we're
okay.
gonna show you it.
The surprise of the hoverboard is right here.
But you won't tell.
Don't knock on my sock because I'm gonna pop your.
Yeah.
Okay, done with slime today. Done
Yeah.
with slime.
Here, I'm fit to try to walk the make slime while riding the hoverboard.
No more slime for Layla today.
You threw it away.
No, I hate it. Y'all too.
I know where it is, Layla. YouTube for sure. Sorry for keeping y'all waiting. Oh my god.
Let me go. You can
Wait.
Let me go.
But I just got on it.
Please, I didn't know what.
Okay, bye YouTube. And
No, don't stop the video. Since I'm about to go.
okay, y'all, my slime did not work out.
Girl,
Is
I got slime on my foot.
Time for this little here.
From this.
I hate it. Oh. Bye YouTube.